Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. And today, we're gonna be in Hypertag. It's a new Gorilla Tag modded game and it's a ton of fun. So, there's cosmetics and mods in this game. This game is Oh, there you go. Oh, hey, my mouse broke for a second. They even have the... They even have a cool thing over there. Bob. What are everyone on? What the? What the? Okay, so... Oh my god. So, let's go check out this first mod. This is the first mod that you're probably gonna see. So there's regular face. What? So I'm gonna wear every face. I'm just gonna get rid of this, but you all are okay with that. So first face is happy face. You have to take off my cosmetics. This is happy face. Next one. Scared face. Not gonna wear that one. Shocked face, wait. Okay. Next one is annoyed. I don't know how this would be annoyed. Does it not look like annoyed? Right? This is adorable, let's say. I don't like it. Creepy face. Busy face. Ow. Man, I'm the Chad. What am I doing? I'm locked in. Scared face. What? How is this scared? I'm happy. Y'all know what one this is. Whatever. Face. Okay, I'm just regular. Here we go. City, it has some cosmetics. They're not that good. But I can say it. You know the way. I will show you the way. City. I don't have that much seconds anymore, I'll show you. And you can get that. And I make them twisted. Okay, so anyways, let's go to city. Okay, this is the city. Has some cosmetics. This is the most modern Gorilla Tag modded game I can find, so it does have Metro. Bro, this should have Metro. No Metro. That's... Well, nobody really needs Metro because... Nobody needs Metro because it's kind of... There's nothing to do in there. See, my cosmetics, I have a ton of cosmetics. I mean, some. I'm gonna buy a badge since you don't see this. It's an oog. It's a. By the way, you can also dance. Just did a little bit of that. I really like that dance. What? Okay, so the mods. I'm just gonna show you quickly because this thing is pretty annoying. So there's long arms and platforms. Platforms pretty simple. Long arms pretty simple. Muscle speed just makes you faster. Ghost monkey. Hold this down, and then you can just teleport. Just roll it down once. By the way, you see it cosmetics normally. Switch. Invis monkey. Hold both of these down. Go invis, hold them again. And done. Okay. Now iron monkey. This goes side. This goes to the other side. I mean, they all go backwards actually. I literally like just use this. Just for this video. Fly. Pretty simple. TP gun. Just hold this down. Just click your pointer finger and then that's it. Take and hold this down. Here, I'm good shooting forward. Yep, I can tag you from any. Here we go. Up and down. Hold this to go up. This goes down. Now this, I'm just in a lobby with myself, so I can't do this. I do not know how to do this. And then Iron Monkey the exact same. Wait, there's 2 Iron Monkeys! Okay. There's also a Mono Sandbox mod. But, like, it's not even that. Like, it's just Mono Sandbox. You get to. I'll just tell you what it is. You get to spawn in things. It's like. It's sometimes fun, sometimes not fun. You delete stuff. There's laser guns. There's tons of weapons. Hands down. I literally just said hands down. Okay, there's hands down. It's a ton of fun. Don't spawn in an entity. It will. If I knew that little guy, he'd be like. So, subscribe to this YouTuber right here. My name is Sonic MH if you couldn't see that. And hope I get trusted user eventually. Okay, what am I talking about? Okay, I'll show you the full game in a completely different video. So, like, subscribe, comment what your favorite part of the video was. Optional. Most importantly, what would most importantly be subscribe and join code SonicMH. Maybe be in there. I have other mod games that I have downloaded that I'm still testing out to see if I think you guys might like it. I have another one that I just downloaded today of the time of this video. So by the time you're seeing this video, I'm probably going to be making a video on the other games, and then I might include this game in it again for like the full one, where like I just show all of them, which is gonna be my next video. It's gonna be so long, and I'm not gonna be using this menu. I mean this lick menu. I will see if there's any other lick menus in different modded games. This one is like the best modded game that I have seen. It's the most up to date. Like everything is good, but then I like found this new modded game. It does not have elevator. It has everything besides the elevator. And I don't think it has Ghost Reactor 2. I'd have to check. So it's not the best, but like it's the most up to date version. And I think I forgot what it's called, but I'll definitely know in my next video. So subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.